Yeah, we late, but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams. It's been ticking for hours, ticking for hours.
Hi guys, right, today I'm coming on to do a little bit of swatching with some colours. Now, some of you will have known that I've had this set here for a long time. I probably had this probably 4 years. When it was like on pre-order, I ordered this. That's how long ago it was, and I got this when a Chanda was still around, and I bought this one of my birthdays with an art journal, and they had 2 sets, and I wish I made the wrong mistake by buying the art journal because it was pretty. I should have got both of these, but I left it for a while, tried to see if they went on offer, and they never went on offer, and then they sold out. And I've been looking for the other set for ages. So let me show you the first set. I use it a lot. You can see that by the inside of the pans. They're dry at the moment, but I'm going to water them down because I may use them today. But like the pink in it is really vibrant. They're lovely colours. So that's that one. So that is the Whimsical and Bright. I have shown that on my channel before. I swatched it out. It's in a video, I think it's called live swatching or something like that. It's a live video, it says in the thumbnail. Now, I managed to pick up this one recently. I've been all over eBay, I've been all over everywhere trying to find this, and I could only get it from sites that were in the UK. But, little did I know, that's Crafty had it in. So this is what it looks like inside. I have opened it recently, but I took this part of the video. You get this card in there, and then you get all the pans in there with the foils and the papers on them, of course. It's a really pretty set when you go to open it. So we're going to be swatching these today. They're really, really pretty colours, and we'll see what happens. But I thought I'd just show you this part of the video. Enjoy. So the colours are beautiful in this. This one's got a sticker on it. I don't know if my other one has. I don't think it has. Yeah, so you get a swatch card. I've already quickly swatched them out. And there's... oh, it's a little crack. That's all right. And I'm going to add some water to them. I will insert a picture before this part of, before I unwrap them. I'm just going to put a pipette, a little bit of water on each. So they just stand and wet them, you know, wet themselves, I was going to say. Right, so they can stand for a little while. Put another one in there. And then I'll get a piece of paper, and we will actually try them out. But this is the box here. They're by Studiolight Art by Marlene. But she does acrylic paint sort of pen things now. She doesn't do the watercolours anymore, but these were fantastic when they've come out, especially for art journaling and stuff like that, and even cards and that. I don't know what the colour fast and all that is on them. There's no information about any of that. I would say they're probably not. Okay guys, I'm back. I've got some paint on mixed media, multi-technique A5, 250 gram, acid free. And this paper's great just for swatching or doing this. It's quite nice paper, it's quite thick. Right, so I'm going to use a piece of this. Right, so the first one's called Lipstick. I'll just load up with that. So I'll put them on. Might be a bit watery because I put, there we go. Right, so that's that one done. Got lovely pigment to them, really nice. And then the next one is called Sunset. I should really put a water thing in there like I usually do. I usually go that way and then it takes the water to the bottom and then you can see if they're not very transparent, they're more opaque watercolours, but they're really nice for art journaling and stuff and making tags and, you know, paper items, colouring or just doodling about all that. Nice. And I'll just swatch out there a bit, just break it. Right. And that was called Sunny Days. Now the next one is called Zest of Life, which is the green. It's a lovely green. Got a lot of yellow in it. It's a yellowy green. Okay, and I might be able to get another one on the end there. Right, so the next one is called Ocean. Beautiful colour, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Just do that. So glad I found these paints. The next one is called Galaxy. And that's a dark green. Let's move that out a bit. The next one is called Bear Skin. Apparently this is a skin tone. Okay, next one is Pink Pixie. I really like the pink in the other set. It's like a shocking pink, like an opera pink. This one's pale in this. I mean, it works, but I like the other pink in the other set better, in the first set. I mean, you can't replace it. There's no way of getting the colour singular, which is a shame because I would order another one of the pinks, definitely. This one is called Floral Magic. It's a really nice colour. It's like a pinky, magenta-y purple type. The next one is Bohemian, which is a purple. It's a lovely purple. These three colours really complement each other. I mean, they all do, really. They're really, really pretty colours. Swipe that across. And what other one was there? Oh, there's only two left now. So the next one's called In the Navy. Now this paint, even though it's swatched on here, I think it must be this one. it's swatched as. These don't represent any of these colours on here, really, only the yellow. They don't look nothing like that green to that green. These don't look nothing like what they are. Now this next one is called In the Navy, but it's not navy. I'll show you. See, that's not navy, is it? That's as dark as I could get at. But that's not navy blue, that's like a cornflower blue. And I put a lot of paint there, a lot of thick paint. Right, and then the next one is Midnight, which is black. Which, let me see if we can get some more pigment. Yeah. So that's just a basic black with no sort of anything in it. So, let's see these. So I think they're really pretty. See that blue there? Hang on. It's supposed to be navy, but it's not navy. I really do love these colours. This one's beautiful. I love all these. I love that. This one here, I think are beautiful. But yeah, I mean, I will mix and match them with the other palette that I've got with colours in it. I really do like them. I think they're on the quite expensive side for paints, though they are £half and you get the tin. But I think they could be a little bit cheaper than they are. I mean, because there's no, as I said, there's no light fast ratings on them, or anything like that. There's nothing, maybe on the website, but they are rather expensive for what they are. But I wanted these for ages and thought I'd pick them up anyway. So I thought I'd show you guys, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. Now I've got to see who won the 44 competition, the comment competition, and then I'll add you onto this video. Okay, bye.
Yeah, we late, but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams. It's been ticking for hours, ticking for hours.
Yeah, I feel so old. Can't waste no time, gotta wait in line and the weather's so cold. Should've brought my coat at the end of the line, on my shit untold. Messed up a lot, used to be waiting for something or someone to give me my spot. God only show you the way, it's all up to the plan and the paper and people you brought. I learned what I taught, I hope that they notice and give us a shot. I swear I team, been lying a lot, might give us away. And what is the cost? The truth I won't face, I think that we caught. I hear what you say, but jealousy rots the brain, the fame, the game. I know you a fan of me, feeling me, you can't get rid of me, calling the SWAT.
Time is running out, it's been moving but we still don't have the crowd. Money in my head but not my bank account. Clock is ticking fast. Yeah, we late but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams. It's been ticking for hours, ticking for hours.
Time, gotta reach inside of my backpack, look back, what's that, fuck that. Feeling like Bambi, scary, reach down, can't find where my nuts at, yeah. Run it back, time don't love me, rub me like I got a humpback, jump back, bite me, gonna fight me while I'm typing these on my thoughts. Yeah, and I'm done with the wild shit, yeah, a lot more time than I could've had with Jack. Clock always ticking, but the time I'm making up, better not for the doubt, living for the thing I love. Cause it's all about the journey, I'm enjoying what I'm doing, got this mission from above, like the witches I'll be brewing, coming soon to a theater near you, not a sequel, Revenge of the Sith, yeah, bitch, that's a prequel.
Time is running out, it's been moving but we still don't have the crowd. Money in my head but not my bank account.